This is more than just a fidget spinner. Let me show you. It's a TWS with a cool fidget spinner charging case. And the swoosh was not the sound effect. It actually produces a swoosh that feels like the sound of sword when you open the metal gliders. This is Nu Republic Cyberstud SPIN priced at Rs 2500. But what about the sound quality? Let's find out. This is the retail box of Cyberstud SPIN. It promises 70 hours of music playback. It has key features printed on the side and key specifications on the back. Now let's see what is the inbox content by quickly unboxing it. You get the TWS with fidget spinner charging case. There are also a few extra ear tips and a USB-C cable for charging. The most notable thing in this TWS is the design. It comes with a unique 360-degree fidget spinner built into the charging case. You can use it as a fidget spinner in your free time. The charging case is made of plastic, but the gliders are of metal. It doesn't look like a case of TWS. Anyone can think of it as a toy. When you open the gliders, it produces a satisfying swoosh that feels like the sound of swords. Gliders are functional and securely hold the earbuds. You need to open the gliders to take the buds out of the case. Earbuds have a semi-transparent design that provides a sleek and modern look. You get a secure and comfortable fit. In case you did not get a proper fit, you can try other ear tips that fit you better. Buds also have an IPX5 rating for splash and sweat resistance, making them reliable for daily use. Buds also feature a touch-sensitive area for touch controls. You can control sound, tracks, and calls. A long tap also activates the voice assistant. Buds pack 13mm dynamic drivers with X-based technology. The sound feels well balanced and I enjoyed the clarity in the vocals. However, when it comes to bass-heavy tracks, the performance falls short. The bass lacks the punch that bass enthusiasts might want. If you want a TWS with a punchy bass, this one is surely not for you. Buds perform well when you watch movies because you get clear vocals and detailed audio. Now it depends on your music preference whether you should buy it or not. There is also a gaming mode that promises to reduce the latency to 40 milliseconds. We need to tap 5 times on the bud to enter the low latency mode. While it does improve the response time, a slight delay is still noticeable during gameplay. Audio during gaming is also really good and detailed. It also has environmental noise cancellation for good calling, and the calling experience is good. Buds capture good sound and reduce noise around you to deliver clear sound to the recipient. One of the most impressive aspects of the Cyberstud SPIN is its battery life. I was getting around 6 to 6.5 hours of music playback on a single charge and around 60 to 62 hours with the charging case. That's really good for a TWS. Nu Republic Cyberstud SPIN offers a unique and enjoyable design with its fidget spinner case, so it is a fun gadget to keep in your pocket. The earbuds deliver clear and balanced sound but may not satisfy people seeking good bass. If you are paying Rs 2500, you can easily get TWS with active noise cancellation and better sound. Now it depends on you if you want to compromise with sound quality for having a fidget spinner TWS. That's it for this video. If you still have any questions, leave them in the comments. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next one.